Hey guys, it's Burgos here, and in this video I will talk about when to expect success in Grave of Venom Dungeon in Dragonheir Silent Gods. Now, Grave of Venom, for me especially, this is maybe the most easy dungeon from the 3 other dungeons presented at the moment in the game, and if you have struggles here, you definitely want to look about something there. And this thing is, first of all, the harpy is a single target hitter most of the times, so you definitely want to focus on one thing. There is just one thing that is going to help you go further in this dungeon, and this is the tank. Now, the harpy spells is, we have one multiple hitting target, but the rest of the targets is a single damage target. It's mostly doing damage over your tank. This is very important, since if you have a good tank, this is going to give you the better chance to do this dungeon. If I go, for example, over other dungeons, there is other things that is important there. Maybe I will go over Grave of Curse. First of all, you need somebody to do attack penalty, so when the boss are hitting you, to get less shield, because it's going to do less damage to you. And if you have your main hero switch it to ice, you can use this hero to provide a shield for your heroes, and like this with attack penetration, attack penalty, for example Sigrid, and with shields the boss is not going to get any kind of shield. This is, I have other videos, you can go check them out. It's way more easy to do Grave of Curse if you have these 2 type of heroes. For the Grave of Wrath, you're going to need 3 different heroes. First of all, you're going to need tank, very good tank. Second, somebody to do healing prohibition, because the boss is healing himself. And third, you need somebody to cleanse the buffs, because here the buffs is way too much. With one hit, the boss apply you like 2 buffs and also other debuffs, and yeah, it's very messy. But for the Grave of Venom, to expect success here, you definitely want to focus your resources on your tank to make this tank stronger. And of course, you can have, for example, Horus, good artifacts, or maybe good set in general, and this bad boy can actually tank you a lot. Very good hero. So I will try to make this video short. This is my personal opinion. If you want to have success in Grave of Venom, or if you struggle there, you definitely want to put one eye over your tank and try to boost this bad boy to become very strong, like a wall. So yeah, I guess this will be for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed. If you do, hit one like, subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next amazing video.